How to see your chat files on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and see your chat files easy and fast. So first thing, go to Zoom and let's go to any channel or conversation right here. I'm going to choose this one. Now let's say that you want to find files here. All what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and click on this option. After you click on the option, now go to the first one, files, and click on files. And here you go. If you have any files, you will find them here, easy and fast. And you can also filter them here by file type, as you can see, or sent by someone, or even when. You can choose the time, today or yesterday, or whatever you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.